shop update. Wanted to touch base with everybody, let you know what's going on, where I'm at. I got a video coming out. It's been a little bit since the last video. I got a video coming. It's all shot. I just need to edit it. It's about a mantle that I did. I TIG welded a steel bracket, and then it's like 6 foot long cedar bracket. That one's pretty cool, or cedar mantle rather. Sorry. That one's pretty cool. It's simple, but it's cool in that the homeowner brought me the lumber from a tree that they had milled on their property. So, cool little backstory to that one. That one's coming out hopefully in a week or two. Stay tuned on that. Some other stuff going on. Made this cabinet right here. I'll walk you through that in a sec. Just from a repurposed electrical cabinet, and then flip the camera around and do a little tour around inside and outside the shop, and not necessarily a shop tour, but just a quick little walk about what's going on. Grab my screwdriver here. In the off season, the B tool doubles as a screwdriver. I can get it in there one-handed. Let's see. So cut some holes in there. This cabinet was full of electronics. Got it like basically free at auction. Just get rid of it. But it's cool. A whole rubber gloves and some first aid supplies. I like those old industrial factory type stuff. I think it's pretty cool. I like the look of it. All right, we'll do a little walk and talk here. Head on out first. Like I was saying, I got a number of things going on, but it all takes time. That's why videos are few and far between, or well, time between the videos anywhere. Here's some light rails, a pair of them that TIG welded up. They're about 15 feet long. Just mild steel, but you can see it's got gloss white paint inside to reflect the light. They're going to have some LED rope lights in them, and they'll be installed on some beams to provide some warm uplighting on a cathedral ceiling, outdoor big covered deck. Go back inside and see the next thing I got going on. Alright, so back in the shop here. See what's going on. This is going to be a video. We're stepping up the game. You can see, using the DSLR. What you're watching right now will be the last video shot on my phone. The rest will be all with a halfway decent camera anyway, so hopefully quality will improve. These endless brackets. It's all cut into mild steel, cut into these 3-inch long pieces, but you can see starts off with a jagged edge. A little Dutch there, straighten out. So that all has to get deburred at the belt grinder. Corners rounded to end up like this. Finished product, rounded corners, deburred, nice clean. Now I'll show you where there's 126 of those. It's crazy. There's 2 end caps rather per section. These are for handrails. There's 21 sections of handrails. So there's 2 end caps and then 4 of these mounting tabs. It's going to have a Kumaru top cap on a mild steel handrail. Show you all these. Got all the sections cut to length here. This is the basic setup. So as I was saying, you got an end cap that'll get TIG welded. This all will be TIG welded. You got an end cap here. There'll be 2 mounting holes here, 2 on the other side, and then a top cap, again 2 and 2 on the mounting holes. There's 4 of those top tabs per section. Again, there's 21 sections, so that is 126 of these mounting plates in total. 504 holes. It just takes time. It's going to be 2 to 3 days solid of rounding corners of those tabs and deburring, and then another 2 to 3 days of drilling holes. It's crazy, like a week's worth of work just to prep those tabs for welding. It's a little nutty. And then those will all get primered with a zinc primer and then painted satin black. So that video's coming, but it's gonna we're a ways out. We're probably a month out on installing those. Big thanks to Gerhard Industries. I bought this, they didn't provide it, but still, thanks for making such cool stuff. Here's a neat brand. So from here on out, everything I make will be branded underneath. Be pretty cool. And then another thing, my other life is as a honeybee farmer. So this is a cool organization I'm getting involved with. I'm really excited about it, called Hives for Heroes. Check them out. So coming over to the woodworking side of the house, we were a little bit of a disaster zone over here, but some things in progress. This is a cool, this is gonna be an end table. This is actually not mine. This is a neighbor of mine is doing some work in here. Cool guy, Brian. Making this for a family member. Santa's workshop in progress over here. Maybe a little mini shop tour as I'm talking here, visual anyway. Yeah, I just want to jump in real quick and let you know, in the video I accidentally said that it was Mike Farrington who came up with this idea. In reality, it was Cam with Black Hill Studio. Alright, back to the video. The idea of like collective shop spaces, like if you know, whoever has, you or me or whoever has tools that maybe other people don't have, maybe avail them. I got a few clamps if you're in need of clamps. Maybe avail them to others, open up your shop space for other people to come work in your shop space. I really like that idea. I think it's super cool. I definitely didn't always have a shop like this. It's pretty new to me, about 3 years now. This shop space. So about 950 square feet in this shop, and then I got about another 900 square feet of warehouse space next door in a metal building. So it's like steel storage, a little bit of wood storage, this corridor here. So I really like that idea. So if you're in the shop, if you're in the Charlotte area and you're maybe limited on shop space or just don't have the shop space, or certain tools you maybe don't have this or that particular tool, hit me up. You can DM me on Instagram. It's probably the easiest way to catch up with me, at Branch and Foundry. And I have a link to that in the description below this video. I have a lot of tools that I've acquired over the, I don't know, 15, 20 years has all been going on. But yeah, it's just a better energy in the shop when more people are here. So, or at least 1 or 2 other people are here versus working by myself all day. And I know other people kind of feel the same about working in a shop environment. It's cool idea. I open it up to be like a collective shop space. So I kind of refer to my shop as an idea playground, and that's cool. Whether it's my ideas or your ideas, just we all bring them and see what we can come up with in here. It's a ton of fun. I'm here Monday through Friday, kind of banker's hours. So no weekend work and no evening work. But hey, if you got a little time availability during the week, drop on by. It's always good to have other people, other ideas, and good energy in the shop. So that's it. Like I said, it's just a short shop update. What's going on in the shop? Some of these projects are bigger. They just take time. I just shoot them as I'm making them. So they're coming. It just takes time. But I'm learning. I'm getting my feet under me a little bit, little by little. It takes time for me to figure out what the heck I'm doing on the editing side, big time. But getting there. It'll all come in time. But anyway, I just want to touch base with you real quick. Wish you all Merry Christmas. Celebrate something else, happy that. But yeah, talk to you later, probably in the new year. We're a week away from Christmas right now, 5 days away, so talk to you in the new year. Bye bye.